Sometimes it's hard to tell. So hey family, what's going on? Woo, it's Friday. Your girl just got out of the bed, took a shower, and on my way to pick up Josh the boss. I didn't even see him go to school this morning. I was so tired, knocked out. We had an awesome time last night. And yes, I'm eating his Halloween candy. I was all up in his bag. I can tell you what. You can tell the price of chocolate has gone up, honey. Them bags was filled with so many dum-dum pops. I mean, just more non-chocolate, you know. He did get a little bit, but not like back in the day, so. Blow pop. So, I'm trying to think. Alright, we have an event tomorrow. It is a collaboration, and I need to find a dress to wear. Something dainty and demure. That's all I'll tell y'all for now. I haven't had luck, but I found something on Amazon, but I fell asleep and forgot to order it, so now it won't be here, and the event is tomorrow night. I have been wanting to go to this particular event for a while. I actually originally saw it in New York, but now it's here in Atlanta, so Pretty Cash will also be in the vlog because she is also going to this event. So this one is different. It's exciting. I hope I can find the proper attire to execute it, but yeah. And I should be going to the store after I pick up the boss, but I don't feel like it right now. I'm gonna come back home, relax a little bit, and then I might head out to the store this evening. So look at all that Halloween. Now they have to take all that stuff down. So happy November. It's November 1st. Let me tell you what we're doing over here in Brick City. I'm sorry, y'all. I was eating a Twizzler first. I am going to start decorating our main Christmas tree. I never took it down. You guys wouldn't know that, but I only de-dressed it, and it's off in the corner like I just have a large tree in my home, and I've been fine with it. It looked normal, and now I don't have to try to get anyone to help me put it up. Oh, I'm stuffed up. I haven't had a cold for like the last week and a half. I had a sore throat from Joshua, but he got over it and then I got it. So sorry for the stuffiness. But so yeah, over the weekend, I don't like going outside with y'all on the weekend because if y'all fell down, so when I could put you guys back up, and then I'll finish what I was saying. We came to visit Grandma. Yeah, he grown. Me and Joshua being fatties. These from Target or Publix? Publix. They so good. Cream cheese cupcake. The icing is Yep, and we are watching Jennifer Hudson. What are you doing over there? Welcome to Too Good to Guess. Did you guess how much 2 pairs of progressives are free out? He's so funny. The deal's so good, every customer wins. Go to sleep.
He is an iconic contemporary gospel artist with decades of unforgettable music and incredible stories. One-on-one.
All right, guys, we stay at Mom's longer than I thought, so we are back home because I want to see hubby off before he leaves in a couple of hours. He ate everything at her house. She always give it to him, but these chocolate chip pecan cookies, these are them, okay? And if you nuke it for like 10 seconds, what? Addictive. You get 14 for $5.29. So, all right, I'm about to make us some panko shrimp and I think steak fries. All right. Guys, here are the breaded panko shrimp. We haven't had these in a couple of months, just because shrimp are high in cholesterol, so we just cut back on how much shrimp. But I got a taste for him, so he grabbed them, and I'm gonna cook the rest of the regular fries. Joshua claimed he doesn't want any right now, but that's because he ate all of my mom's snacks. So I'm gonna cook them anyway, and then when he is ready, he can eat them. So I'll let y'all know. Oh, I do have to do my nails for tomorrow's event, so we'll do that at some point. I cut it in the corner like this so I can create a way to tie it like that. You get it? Oh, sorry, y'all, by the kitchen nightlight, and it's motion sensor, so it keep going on and off. And not that much in here, but Hubs don't really eat French fries. Joshua claimed he don't want none, child, so we'll see. I'll let y'all know how that go. I did not get to go dress shopping. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to get up early in the morning. I think I want a glass of wine. I haven't had coffee today. Can you believe it? Oh, like, what happened? Oh, I moved my wine glasses. I know y'all need to be wearing some more light, but I'm about to disconnect y'all in a minute anyway, so I can enjoy this. Cheers to the good life, right? As Josh would say. Feeling good over here in Brick City. Alright guys, let me get this grub going. Nothing like some crunchy fried shrimp with toddler. getting Josh a meal before he goes to Grandma's house. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so the leaves.
They're falling.
Oh, it's so beautiful. What do you think about the pineapple frosty?
But what is my food?
It's coming.
Okay, I want to eat this when I go to Grandma's house.
Okay. Alright, we have made it to Kiddos. Let's see what they have. Cup. So cute. Alright guys, we found a piece. Now I have to go get another piece. Share this what I have. It's called a selfie clip to help you still be able to take pictures with your back camera and see yourself without having to use the front camera. And this is how it comes. You get the case, the lens cleaner, and let me show you. It clips on because I'm about to use it for an event. And then you take, let me take this off. I'm thinking it's a film over this, but let me go try to clean it and check it out, guys. Okay, yes, it does. Now it's mirror. Okay, let me check it out. Close into my dreams. I'm getting high. Close into my dreams. I'm getting higher and higher. Feeling in my sleep. Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past you. Sometimes it feels like
You gotta grab your water. Okay, never mind. Oh, yes.
These are our neighbors. What's your Instagram? Okay.
Beach on the ground.
Okay, nice to meet y'all. And Jersey girl for life.
I don't even think I want no tea right now.
I know. I think I'm gonna wait. It's very cute, but I know me.
Thank you.
Okay, that one is hot. Watch out.
This one's our hot tea, I apologize.
Okay.
The Atlantic Civic Center.
This is our room to go by. As the ride was coming to an end, we started wrapping up our content creation, and they gave us an additional 10 minutes to capture our shots. Oh, it's so handy when you're out, but I left the remote. Yeah, so I could. We are going to your house for
Freed from that misery we just went through. Lord, that was.
Open it.
So we walked and did more content at Atlantic Station. Christmas decor is up.
Christmas stuff already up in Atlantic Station.
Looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I comb my hair, wears me out of fear. You'll find me ugly, and one day you'll disappear. 'Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us.
So guys, this was my content creator bag with all my tools in it. I took a lot of stuff to work with me. My gloves, my neck mount, that was some smoking. I had on a headband initially, but batteries, everything. And this was my to-go box. This is the cup that I got. I carried this purse, even though I have purchased another one. And this is the water that they gave us. And that's our leftover dinner. So I will see you guys on the next video.